as Mariam was talking about the discoveries and the power of the humans, so right after that the writer came up with a new idea, and that is different kinds of human. It was mentioned that in today's world, if you go to anywhere, you will find the humans who may speak different languages. Their colors are different, their height and their natures, their cultures are different. But it was mentioned that we are actually the same. Furthermore, the writer discusses about that this planet was not only home of just our sapiens, it was home of many kinds of human. Then a question raised, what happened to all those humans? So it was mentioned there that a big catastrophe or a big catastrophe came and killed them or finished them from this planet. So when the writer come to the first kind of human, it was fluorescence, which was living in an island, and in today's world we call that island Indonesia. So the reason why they were living in an island, at that time the sea level was low, so that's why they easily get into the island and they get back to the mainland. But suddenly at once a time suddenly the sea level get up, so that's the reason they can't get back to the mainland, and this was a challenge for them that they have to spend their whole life in that island. So let's talk about the fluorescence life. So the fluorescence was dying due to the hunger, and that island was not containing much and more foods. So that's the reason the adults of the fluorescence died first, because they require more foods, and the small one survived because they require less food. So that's how generation to generation they get small. And furthermore, the writer came up with another kind of a human, that is Neanderthals. Neanderthals were evolving in Europe and in many places of Asia, and they were as same height as we are, but they were more stronger and more braver than us. So furthermore, the writer discusses about research that archaeologists found in 2008. Archaeologists found finger bone from Siberia, and after a research, the writer confirmed that it was about a girl which lived 50,000 years ago, and the girl named was Pinky, and the girl was neither a Neanderthals nor a fluorescence. It was quite another kind of human. Furthermore, the writer mentioned that which kind of humans we are. So it was mentioned that we are sapiens, that the sapiens were very genius and they were evolving in Africa. At that time they were hanging around the world, and that's the reason they meet in Neanderthals in Europe and they kill all them, and at the last the writer clear that the catastrophe was neither a disaster nor a disease. It was our ancestors sapiens who killed them and snatched their foods, and they died due to the hunger, and same happens to the fluorescence. Now I want to call Manail to continue.